Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam to Allah.
Sheikh, in a speech which was in my local language, I had heard that all of us do sins because the perfection is only for Allah. So my question is that by believing that all created things has limitation, is it also meant that all of the created beings do mistakes?
The answer is no. What you've heard is not correct. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, in an authentic hadith, كل بني آدم خطأ. All son of Adam commits mistakes. And the best of the son of Adams who make mistakes are those who frequently repent. So this is not all creation. Nowhere we will see that the angels sin or make mistakes. And we can go on and like this.
So I have a problem. My gums bleed when I'm asleep. Like when I wake up, there's blood in my saliva. So I'm trying to make up my fasts, and I usually go back to sleep after Fajr. And whenever I sometimes wake up from sleep for a brief moment, so I spit every time I wake up into a tissue, and it became difficult, and I don't know how to handle this.
First of all, whatever happens during sleep, Allah Azza wa Jal forgives it and pardons it. Due to the hadith, the pen of accountability is uplifted from three categories of people. Number one, a person who's asleep until he wakes up. Number two, a child until he reaches the age of puberty. Number three, someone who's insane until he regains his sanity. So whatever happens during your sleep, you're pardoned, and it has no impact on your fasting. When you wake up, if the bleeding is continuing from your gums, you must not swallow it, because the most authentic opinion of scholars, contemporary scholars, is that that would invalidate your fasting. So to the best of your ability, all what you have to do once you wake up is you go and rinse your mouth and move on with life. Most likely it would stop and not continue. But if hypothetically it continues, then try your level best not to swallow it willingly so that your fast would be intact.